I just wanted to do a quick update on the wild cherry tree that I had pollarded. And I just wanted to show you, I guess, what is it now? 4 or 5 years since I cut it back. And as I've noted, it grows like a weed. And it's a good 12, 15 feet tall. Each year I do cut back the upper branches. And that way to try to keep it in check, because I don't want it to be as tall as it was before. But as it turns out, I mean, last year it just started producing the cherries again. And you know what? It really isn't worth it. I had wanted to keep it, figuring I could use the cherries as an additive to the cherry trees that I've got here and then beyond. And it's just too much of a hassle. I mean, it's all seed, all nut inside, and very little cherry. So unfortunately, after 4 or 5 years, I'm going to be cutting it down back there. But I did want to show you just how well it has grown after it was pollarded. So I tried to allow branches to come out from the sides at an angle to try and keep the center open. I'm not even sure if that's the way to grow a cherry tree, with an open center, or where you have a central leader on it. As I said, it was a vigorous grower and puts on a lot of leaves, a lot of growth in the branches. And you know what it is? It just grows wild. And unfortunately, creates too much shade, too much of a mess. And I tried to keep it, as long as I could, because I hate cutting down trees. But it's gonna have to go. I'll be taking it out. So I'll end up cutting off the side shoots or the branches, and then cutting it off at the base. And then we'll see about how I'm going to get that massive, what I'm sure is a root ball down there, because I'm sure those roots spread out pretty far. This tree's been there a long time. I've been in this house over 15 years, and it was here before me. So I'm sure it's got an extensive root system underneath there. So this is the wild cherry tree that was pollarded, like I said, about 4, maybe 5 years ago. And it's going to be coming down this year.